Okay, y'all, making some spaghetti stuffed garlic bread. I got my garlic bread. I got this 5 cheese one. I never had this one before, so I just know it's gonna be good because it's 5 cheese. Then I got this thick cut mozzarella cheese, and then we have our leftover spaghetti. We let this go to waste on me, so we're gonna make this stuffed. Okay, y'all, this is what it's looking like. I think I'm gonna take it out because I don't want the bread to be too hard. But it smells so good. And this is my first time making it, so I just made it how I wanted it. I did look at Pinterest recipe, but I just made it how I wanted to do it. But I think I'm gonna take it out. Okay, y'all, here we go. I could have probably left the left it in for a little bit more, but I didn't want the bread to be too hard. This is my first time making it, like I said. Ooh, look at the cheese. Like I said, this is my first time making it. But ooh, it smells so good. It's hot. But I made it how I wanted to make it. You don't have to put the bread back on there, but I wanted to do that because it's 5 cheese garlic bread. So I wanted the top layer of the bread because it is so good. Like, it is so good. Anyways, y'all, let me try it. Oh, it's so hot. I may have to wait till it cool off. Hot. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit and then I'm gonna come right back. Cause y'all see the steam? It's extremely hot. It's steaming. Okay, y'all, it's a little cool, but I'm excited to taste it. It's still hot. On the part. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's still steaming hot. Yeah, it's really good. It is really good. Like I was saying, yeah, it's really good. Like, y'all don't gotta make y'all like mine, but I wanted to make like this because I still wanted the bread. I know on a video, I know a lot of people they don't put the bread on top. They just put the spaghetti in there and then put cheese on top. But like I said, it's 5 cheese bread. I wanted the top layer. No, it's not good. But it is so good. It is so good. Anyways, y'all, I just wanted to give y'all a taste test. Let y'all know how I like it, but it is really, really good. It may not look as advertising, but it's really good. Let me know, have y'all ever made this? Yeah, I'm still on the forever juices. Okay, I'm gonna eat the rest of my food. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in my next video. See you when I see you.